Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Basic Maths with Masaju. Today we'll be taking the laws of indices with example. Now, let's start with the first law. The first law says that any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. For example, if you have 2 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Or if you have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 0 is equal to what? 1. Now, the second law says that x raised to the power minus a is the same thing as 1 over x raised to the power what? A. Example, if you have 2 raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over 2 raised to the power what? 1. The third law says that, which is the addition law, says that x raised to the power a plus x raised to the power what? B. Times x raised to the power what? B. So long as their base is the same, you pick 1, then you add the powers. So this is a plus b. For example, if you have 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 2, since their base is the same, we'll pick 1, then we add the powers. So this is 3 plus 2, and 3 plus 2 is something as what? 5. And 2 power 5 is 32. That is 2 times 2 times 2 into 5 places to give us 32. Then the fourth one is the division law. X raised to the power a divide x raised to the power what? B. In division law, division is something as subtraction so long as their base is what? The same. So for example, x raised to the power a divide x raised to the power b is something as x, since their base is the same, you pick 1, then you subtract their powers. Now, example here says 2 raised to the power 4 divide 2 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 2, which is their base is 2, you pick 1, then we'll subtract their power. And 4 minus 2 will give us 2. So this is 2 power 2, which is what? 4. 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. Now, for the fifth one, please, if you have not liked nor follow my page, please do so. And also you can go to my YouTube page and subscribe to get notification each time a new video is posted. Now let's continue. Number 5 says x raised to the power 1 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of x. Any number raised to the power of half is the same thing as the square root of that number. Example, if you have 4 raised to the power 1 over 2, 4 raised to the power 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of 4, and the square root of 4 is what? 2. Now number 6 says that x raised to the power 1 over 3 is the same thing as cube root of what? X. For example, if you have 8 raised to the power 1 over 3 is the same thing as cube root of 8. By cube root, I mean which number will you multiply 3 times to give you 8? 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. So the cube root of 8 will give us 2. Now, the seventh law says that x raised to the power a over b is the same thing. If you change this, you are going to have this way. Sorry, this is power a. For example, if you have 27 raised to the power 2 over 3, it's the same thing as put your 27 in the square root, then this 3 will be outside as a cube root of 27. Then you close it in a bracket, then you raise it to a power. Now, cube root of 27 means which number we're going to multiply 3 times to give us 27. 3 times 3 times 3 will give us 27. So cube root of 27 is equal to what? 3. Remember the power 3 square. And 3 square is what? 9, because 3 times 3 is what? 9. Now let's take the last law. The last law says number 8, x over y raised to the power minus a is the same thing as, if you want to remove this minus sign so that you can solve, the denominator will go up, the numerator will come down. Instead of having x over y, it will now become y over x raised to the power what? A. For example, if you have if you have 3 over 2 raised to power minus 2, and you're asked to solve something like this. Now this thing is the same thing as what do you call it, 2 over 3 raised to power what, 2, because the numerator will come down, the denominator will go up to remove this minus sign, and this 2 is affecting 2 and what, 3. So this thing is something as 2 raised to power 2 all over 3 raised to power what, 2. And 2 raised to power 2 is what, 2 times 2, which is what, 4. All over 3 power 2 is something as 3 times 3, which is what, 9. 4 over 9 as our answer. Thank you for having me today. Bye-bye.